let's add trailer to your Premiere. So after all the details, monetization, ad suitability, video elements, everything, go to visibility, click on your schedule, set as a Premiere, and then edit Premiere. I already made a trailer, but I want to delete it so that you can see it. How did I do it? So 15 seconds to 3 minutes again, and not again. So that's the duration of your trailer. And yes, the trailer is from one of your videos that's 15 seconds to 3 minutes long. And let's choose this one. Why? Because I just feel it. And then you save it. That's it. You're good to go. See you on my Premiere. That would be tomorrow. Here's my thumb. See you tomorrow. This is Japan time. See you on Philippines time, 8 p.m. Goodbye. Thank you.